So you may have an expectation that you want all the parts to be replaced in your vehicle, but that may not always be the case. There's going to be certain considerations, repair versus replace, and we're going to talk to you more about this. So, Mike, what are some considerations of repair versus replace that you should talk to your repair professional about when determining what's best for that vehicle?
Well, the first thing you need to understand is that as a vehicle owner, there are some parts that can never be repaired. For example, a seatbelt. Seatbelts cannot be repaired. If they're damaged, they must be replaced. So sometimes it's a matter of safety that will dictate the decision that the collision repair professional says, hey, we need to replace this part. Sometimes it depends on what that part is made out of. Obviously, there are some parts that are made to be repaired and some parts you can't repair. So it's based on what it's made out of. Another thing we have to think about when it comes to repairing versus replacing is, will it withstand corrosion? If we repair it, is it acceptable to corrode in the future? There could also be other things like, is the part even available right now, or is it on back order, or has it been discontinued? How long will it take to get the part itself? And then obviously sometimes, cost considerations need to go into that as well. And then even things such as aesthetics, right? Maybe the part I could repair it, but it just wouldn't look perfect. So understand that if you have any questions in regards to why a part has been repaired or replaced on the estimate you've been provided by the collision repair facility, just ask them as to what their reasoning was.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.